Welcome to Tip Tuesdays. I'm Kiki Fontenot with the LSU Ag Center, and I'm here to tell you today how to take a overgrown or leggy succulent plant, as you see here in this pot, and rejuvenate it, make it look nice again. So I have a pot here with moistened soil. We have two ways we can do this. The first way is to take one of the leaves off our succulent, simply pinch it with your fingertips, and then place it either completely flat with good soil contact into that pot, or stick it down in and make sure the tip that was facing outwards of the plant is still facing up, okay? The other thing you can do is come back to your leggy succulent with a pair of pruners, simply snip the stem off, and then using the base of this stem, stick it so that at least two of those nodes are below the soil line. Now, when I say two nodes, here and here, that's it. The roots will come out of those two nodes, and you'll have a nice new plant.